Hello, welcome. This is Deepak, and we are on to the NoMoreClass main website. So, in this tutorial, I will be discussing about how to start your journey onto the CloudClass. Okay, so you have already signed up the account. So, in the beginning, basically, this page is shared with you. You put up the detail about the username, password, email address, and all those things. And then your account was activated by the admin team here at the NoMoreClass. Now, please remember when you were signing up, whatever username was there and password was there, along with the email address, that you have to remember. Because when you will be logging in, either you have to type the username or the email ID, and the password which you are selecting here, that password you will have to enter there. Onto the same page for the sign up which is shared with you, you can go for the logging in. This is the login ID. Now here, basically, whatever was the username or the mail ID, you will type at the top one, and the password you will type it here. In my case, the account is already made, so I don't need to type it again. I'll directly be going for it. So I went for the mail ID and the password along with that. Once I log in, the system directly will be taking you to the dashboard, default dashboard. The thing is, once you are enrolled, your kid, they will be enrolled into the different courses, depending upon the program you are choosing. Whenever in those courses, the classes are being conducted or the papers are being conducted, online paper or offline paper, anything is happening. Everything is an event here. And every event, whether it is a class or test or PTM, any event, it will be visible into this dashboard itself, coming event. Here itself it will be visible to you. And along with the time as well, when this event will be starting. As you can see, I've enrolled in one batch, and in that batch, basically, tomorrow there will be class at 8:15. Morning 8:15, the class will start. Actually, the class will be starting at 8:30. This link will become active at 8:15. So like right now, if I try to go for it, for this activity, it will not take me to the activity. As you can see, it's showing that it's not started yet. The session has not started yet. So there is no link available. So tomorrow after 8:15, what will happen, the moment I click on this, it will ask us to go to activity. Once I click on it, directly I'll be entering into the class. So right now, this is taking us to a neutral page, but after 8:15 tomorrow, it will be directly taking us into the main page, the class page. Apart from these tests are there. So as I said, there are some tests which are online tests and there are some tests which are offline tests. So depending upon which test you are opting for in your course, what are the tests which will be coming, you'll be directly clicking on it. Once you click on it, automatically it will come like this is the test which is an offline test. Okay. All these things will be visible there. And so this event basically generally is available for one day. Now here also you can see the calendar is there. In the calendar, all those events will come. ISL mock test is coming, opening, then VIT mock test will be closing, and Comet K mathematics. All these will be visible here, events. So what you do majority of time, basically when you want to attend the class online, you just logging in. After logging in, basically, you will be directly attending the classes from here itself. Okay. And then whenever you want to go back, you can directly log out from here. Generally, my suggestion is this address you should be saving as a bookmarking. The address you should bookmark. So in the future, you don't need to type the address again and again. You should be bookmarking the address so that directly you should be able to log in into the system itself. Okay. In the next video, we will be discussing how to watch the recordings, how to toggle between the courses and all those things. Okay. Thank you.